Karnataka government has taken a significant step to tackle the growing problem of fake news and online threats. The state cabinet has approved an AI-driven social media analytical solution aimed at tracking fake news, misinformation, and terror recruitment activities on digital platforms. The decision was taken during the cabinet meeting held in Bengaluru. According to official sources, the new AI tool will monitor social media content to identify harmful and misleading information at its source. The project is estimated to cost around 67.20 crore rupees, briefing the media after the cabinet meeting. Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil said, "The system will work in a fully automated manner." He clarified that the tool will help detect fake news, trace its origin, and assist authority in taking timely and informed action. The minister also stated that the AI system will monitor content linked to terror recruitment, child trafficking, defamatory posts, and other serious online threats. Posts flagged as dangerous will either be brought to the notice of authorities or recommended for removal, depending on the nature of the content. The government has emphasized that the tool is meant to support decision-making and strengthen public safety in the digital space. Officials have said the growing influence on social media has made it necessary to adopt advanced technology to prevent misuse. Responding to concern about privacy and misuse, the minister clarified that there would be no human intervention in the scanning process. He also stated that mainstream digital media platform would be monitored and that the system would function strictly within the boundaries of the law. The minister added that there is no legal bar under existing law to scan social media content for criminal intent or manipulation. However, the government has assured that the tool will not be used to target individuals unfairly. In a separate decision, the Karnataka cabinet also approved amendments to the Karnataka Gram Swaraj and Panchayat Raj Act. This amendment will allow the use of ballot paper and ballot boxes in upcoming Panchayat elections. The government said the existing law did not provide a clear option for paper ballots, making amendment necessary. The decision comes amid ongoing debates around electronic voting machines or EVMs. The Congress-led government has earlier expressed concern over EVMs, citing issues of public trust. It's also referred to past recommendations by the State Election Commission suggesting the use of ballot papers for local body elections. With these decisions, the Karnataka government says it aimed to strengthen both digital governance and democratic process in the state. The implementation of the AI tool will expected to begin in phases as authorities prepare to address emerging online threats more effectively.